Hello friends! Today we are going to prepare a game for all the family. This game is the fishing game!
To prepare this fun game we need a paper, a fish shape, a felty pen, coloring pencils, scissors, strings, sticks, and paper clips. Let's draw the fish. We are going to draw some circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles inside our fish. Now color the shapes. Remember, no white spaces. When you finish coloring, cut the fish. Be careful with the scissors. In this step, Mommy or Daddy should help you. Bend the paper clip to obtain this shape. Bend one per each fish and put them on the fish's mouth. Now it's time to make the fishing rod. Ask Mom or Dad to open the paper clip like this. Then tie one end of the string to the paper clip and the other to the stick. Let's play!
There are many different ways to play this game. You can choose your favorite. Enjoy your family time. Bye bye!